Let me ask you something real quick. If someone corrects you on your post on social media, what's your first reaction? Do you feel attacked, offended, like, who are you to tell me? Pero, unsa man gyud kung Kristohano na ka, ug naay moduol nimo ug moingon, bro, sister, murag sayop man ni imong gina-post, dili na siya threat, dili na sila kaaway. That might be someone who actually cares for your soul. What's up, everyone? This is JD Smar, and today I want to talk about something we all experience. Correction on social media, especially among Christians. O karon, istoryahan nato ni kay daghan kaayo ni karon nga sayop ang pagsabot. As a Christian, what we post matters. Our words reflect Christ, not just our emotions. Sometimes, someone's reach out and says, hey, maybe this post doesn't align with our faith, and suddenly, we get defensive. Makasulti dayon ta. I-judge ko, giilisdan ko, ngano man siya. Pero, paminawan niya, kung tinuod ka nga Kristohanon, correction is not an attack. Proverbs 27 verse 6 says, faithful are the wounds of a friend. If a person took time to message you privately, not to embarrass you, not to bash you publicly, that means they care. Mas sayon ra baya mo ignore. Mas sayon ra mo scroll palayo. Pero, mingduol siya. Kay importante, imong kalag. Correction hurts sometimes. Pero, truth heals. Not every correction, hate. Not every reminder is judgment. Sometimes, God uses people to realign us before we drift too far. Mas maayo pang masakitan ta gamay karon kaysa mawala ta sa dalan. Kung gikorek ka with love, thank God. So next time, if someone corrects you, pause, pray, and reflect. Ayaw dayon kasuko, paminaw una. Kay basin ang gisen sa Ginoo nimo, dili basher, kundili brothers or sister in Christ. If this message helped you, share this vlog. You might help someone choose humility over pride. God bless us all.